Okay, hi people of YouTube. Right now I'm talking with a Roblox gamer. I got killed by lazarbeam and fresh because I went into my replay folders and I saw that I got killed by fresh, but then okay, open replay folder. I actually cannot believe I got killed by them though. Which one would it be? 18? No. Let me try to find it. I don't know how to send them, so who cares? But I actually cannot believe it. Find that. Okay, play this. What? I actually cannot believe I got killed by them. Okay, there I am. No. Okay, gameplay. Okay, nah. Okay, right here. Laser and RNG Mr. Fresh Asian. I don't know, he's got baby Gingy on his back. Oh my god. That's me! Yeah, I got pickaxed once. Yeah, and I did that. I would freak out. I think I almost killed Fresh as well. Yep, there he is. About to snipe me down. Yep, he just killed me. He literally just killed me. And then TS Myth was apparently in my game. Yep, I died by Mr. Fresh Asian. Woohoo! I'm just sad. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop the recording here. But my goodness.